friends, welcome to my channel No Physics with me. Hope all are doing good. Yes. So today we are going to start with a fresh topic which is problems based on trains, and previously we ended up with time, speed and distance concept where we cover different types of questions in 10 different videos using shortcuts too. So this topic is closely related to time, speed and distance concepts. So those who have missed any of the videos related to time, speed and distance, I'll provide you the playlist link in the description box so that you can check it and come here. Okay, only when you're clear with that concept, you'll understand this concept very easily. Okay, so we'll first understand the topic, then get into some important terms and different types of questions related to this topic, and then we'll directly solve the questions. Okay, yes. So in this topic also we are going to find either time, speed or distance depending on our question. So first we'll understand how to use distance when different types of questions are given. Okay, so see, this is nothing but problem based on train. So obviously we'll have train. Okay. And in opposite you may have a person, a pole, tree, platform, tunnel or bridge, whatever it is. So depending on our question, how will we calculate distance? That is what we are going to see now. Okay. So consider a train which is 100 meter in length. Okay. Length and distance are one and the same. Don't get confused. And you have a person standing opposite. Okay. So when you compare the length of this person to that of the train, this person's length is very small, correct? Just think this person may be in the length of 0.01 meter, which is very small when compared to 100 meter, correct? So in that case, you will not consider the distance or length of the man. Instead, you will use the distance only as 100 meter, which is the length of the train. Clear? The same concept applies to pole and tunnel. Pole is of very small length and similarly tree is of very small length when compared to that of train, correct? So in that cases we will neglect the length of the man, pole or tree, whatever it is. Whereas in case you just think you have a platform, okay, and a tunnel or a bridge, it is of greater length when compared to man, pole and tree. Yes, we can compare the length of a platform to that of a train, correct? Maybe 20 meters. A tunnel, a bridge. Same applies to all the three. Okay. So in that case, what you will do, you will add up the distance of both the train as well as the tunnel or bridge or platform. Okay, say 30 meters. Okay, this can be compared to the distance of the train, right? So that time you will add up the distance. Clear? So two concept I have said. When you have man, pole or tree, the length of man, pole or tree are very small when compared to the length of the train. In that case, you will use only the train's distance or length. Whereas when you have a platform, a bridge or a tunnel, its length is better, can be compared to that of the length of the train, correct? In that case, you will add up their distance, okay? I think you are clear now. If you aren't clear, we'll get into questions so you'll have a clear understanding. Yes? Now you consider moving objects. What all will move? Man will move. Then train will move, right? Balance all are stationary objects. So man and train, if they give, in that case, speed, how it will be, we'll find, okay? So let us consider a train, okay? Train with speed S1, and you have a man who is moving in the same direction of train, okay? So what you will do, he is moving with the speed of S2. So how you will consider speed here? You will have to consider the speed by seeing the direction. If they are moving in the same direction, you will subtract their speed, and if they are moving in opposite direction, suppose if a man is coming in this direction and train is moving in this direction, you will add up their speed. So this concept we have already seen in relative speed concept in time, speed and distance topic. Yes. So speed, please don't confuse with speed and distance, because often we do that. Distance you will have to consider based on the size or length of the object, okay? Whereas speed you will have to consider based on the direction. And time, it is common, okay? There is no difference in moving object or stationary object. Clear? Yes. So we'll directly get into questions one by one. So you'll get to know about the concept very clearly. Okay. So here is our first question. Find the time taken by a train 180 meter long running at 72 km per hour in crossing an electric pole. So first write down the data given. So we'll have to find the time taken by the train and the length of the train, which is nothing but the distance is 180 meter, and speed they have given it as 72 km per hour, and the opposite thing is nothing but the electric pole, which is pole. Okay, so first and foremost duty is finding the distance and speed and keep it there. Okay, so poles distance we will not consider because the distance of the pole is negligible. So distance is only the train's distance, and the second speed. Since pole is stationary, it is not moving, we will have only the speed of the train. Correct? So the same thing, and one more thing you will have to note down here is the units. Okay, because you might substitute the same way, then you will go wrong with the answer. So just check for the units. Here it is in meter and here it is in kilometer per hour. So you will have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, and then you will find the answer. Okay, and we have already seen this. To convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, you will have to multiply it by 5 by 18, and meter per second to kilometer per hour we'll have to multiply it by 18 by 5. Okay, so this we have already discussed, and those who don't know, note it down. Okay, now we'll convert this to meter per second. How will we convert? 72 into 5 by 18. Okay, 6 3s are 18, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 3 4s are 12. So 20 meter per second. Now both are in same units, correct? Now you can easily find the time. Time is equal to distance by speed. So distance is 180 by speed is 9, which is equal to 9 seconds. Clear? Yes. So once you get questions based on trains, the first and foremost thing you will have to do is check for the distance and speed. Okay, speed even you won't forget, distance you may forget, so that you will have to do it very clearly, and check for the unit whether you will have to convert it or not. Okay, we'll go with the second question. A train 140 meter long is running at 60 km per hour. In how much time it will pass a platform 260 meter long? So platforms length only they have given. Okay, so write down what are all the data given. Train's length is, okay, so let me denote as dt, train's distance, okay, is 140 meter, and speed is 60 km per hour, and platform's distance or length is 260 meter, and speed of platform they will not give because platform is stationary, it is not moving. Correct? Now what you will have to do, you will add up the distance of train and platform because both are considerable length of both are of considerable length, right? Yes. Now when you add, how much you will get? 400 meters you will get distance, and speed is 60 km per hour. So convert it to meter per second. So 60 into 5 by 18. 2 9s are 18, 30 times, and 50 by 3 meter per second. Okay, don't go for further calculation, we'll end up cancelling, so don't do that. Okay, now find the time. Time is equal to distance by speed, which is 400 by 50 into 3. Correct? 5 8s are 40. So 24 seconds is your answer. Clear? Yes. See the next question and try to solve it by yourself. Okay. A train 160 meter long taken 30 seconds in crossing a tunnel 440 meter long. The speed of the train is. So write down what are all the data given. So length, which is nothing but the distance. Distance and length are one and the same. Don't get confused. Okay. So distance of train is 160 meter. I write it as distance because we are used to time, speed and distance, right? Not length. That's why I write it as distance. Length and distance are one and the same. Okay. And time taken to cross is 30 seconds they have given. And tunnel's length they have given it as 440 meter. Now they are asking for us to find the speed of the train. Okay, so what you will do, you will add up the distance. Okay, because it is tunnel which is of greater length. So when you add up, you have the distances. Distance is equal to 600 meters. Okay, here you need not convert it to any other unit because meter and second only they have given. So you will find the answer in meter per second. Okay, so check for your options. If it is given in kilometer per hour, in that case final answer you will have to convert to kilometer per hour by multiplying it by 18 by 5. Otherwise you give the answer as such. Okay, so now time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, we need speed, sorry, speed is equal to distance by time. So 600 divided by time is 30 seconds. So 20 meter per second is your speed. Clear? See the next question, try by yourself. A train 100 meter long is running at a speed of 70 km per hour. In what time will it pass a man who is running at a speed of 10 km per hour in the same direction? So speed, two different speed they have given, same direction is your hint. So what you will do, you will subtract the speed, correct? Now we will write down the data given. So train's length is 100 meter and speed is 70 km per hour. And man only they have given, so his distance is negligible, so you consider only the distance of the train. Okay, and the speed of man they have given it as 10 km per hour. So our question is we have to find the time. Clear? So it is in different units. Here it is in meter and here it is in kilometer per hour. So convert that to meter per second. How will you do? Into 5 by 18. So first you will subtract these both speed because they are moving in same direction. Remember, when they move in same direction we will subtract, and when they are moving in opposite direction we will add up their speed. Okay, so subtract 60 km per hour you will get speed, right? So convert that speed into meter per second. 60 into 5 by 18. 30 times. So 50 by 3 meter per second you will get. Okay. Now you have the distance and speed, so you can easily find the time. Distance by speed. So distance is 100 divided by speed is 50 into 3. 2, which is equal to 6 seconds. Clear? Yes. See the next question. A train running at a speed of 60 km per hour crosses a pole in 9 seconds. What is the length of the train? So what all is given? Speed of the train is given as 60 km per hour and crosses the pole. Time they have given in seconds. Okay, we'll have to find the length. Okay, so first convert this kilometer per hour to meter per second. How will you do? 60 into 5 by 18. So 2 9s are 30 times. Again 3 3s are 9, 10. 50 by 3 meter per second. Now you can easily calculate. Length is nothing but distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. So speed is 50 by 3 into time is 9 seconds. So 3 3s are 9. So 150 meter is your length or distance. Clear? Yes. So here is our last question. Try to solve it by yourself. Okay. A train is moving at a speed of 132 km per hour. If the length of the train is 110 meters, how long will it take to cross a railway platform 165 meters long? So write down the given data, which is speed of the train is 132 km per hour. Then length of the train or train's distance is 110 meters and platform's length is 165 meters. Clear? Now we have to find the time. So first distance you will have to solve. You have platform length as well as train length. So you will add up the distance, which is 275 meters, and convert the speed into meter per second into 5 by 18. So 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 3s are 9, 22 times. So 5 2s are 10, 110 by 3 meter per second you will get. Now you can easily find time. Time is equal to distance by speed, which is 275 divided by 110 into 3 will get. So 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 11 2s are 22, 11 5s are 55. So 15 by 2 you will get, which is 7.5 seconds. Clear? Yes. So I hope you are all clear with the concept as well as the questions discussed today. So try practicing more questions, and now you will have a question displayed here. I want you to solve it by yourself and give your answers in the comment box. And if you like the video, please share it with your friends and do subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the latest notification of the upcoming videos. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for all the support given. Keep supporting. So thank you.